Pret met Afrikaans. Fun with Afrikaans. Please note for grade 1s. All Afrikaans vocabulary taught does not need to be written or read in grade 1. The learners must just know it orally. My vliegtuig. My aeroplane. My vliegtuig vlieg so hoog, hoog, hoog. Bo al die wolke blou. En as ek eers heen wil gaan, kom haal ek gou vir jou. My aeroplane flies so high, 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 above all the clouds so blue. And if I want to go somewhere, I'll quickly come get you.